Back like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video, what the narcissists actually do when they're alone. Now, you already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it. So let's do that right now. You can't regulate, self-soothe, or sit their ass down for too damn long. And you know exactly how this shit goes, don't you? Being as though you've had this experience, they gotta rely on others for their sense of self. They have to feel some level of external validation. Most importantly, they ain't trying to confront no feelings of shame, inadequacy. They ain't down for no self-reflection. And they damn sure not trying to reopen some wounds from childhood. Both you and I know they ain't ever gonna confront this shit. That's why they were always on the move. Always needed somebody to text, call, some new business venture, a change in a career. Never sat still for one fucking second without proceeding to fuck up some quiet time. Sitting with that emptiness they feel inside, having to confront all the lives they've intentionally fucked up, having to deal with ways to regulate their own fucking emotions, or lack thereof, ain't some shit that's coded into their DNA. Nah, confusion is. Gaslighting, lying, cheating, destroying the lives of good ass people damn sure is. See, we get hope in our eyes when the narcissist says they'll change. We think that an injection of our love, stability, resources, and structure can help change a motherfucker who seems to have potential. But what happens when all your empathy, compassion, good heart meets an immovable asshole who's intent on playing both the fool and the victim at the same damn time? What happens when you ask for change time and time again and are met with resistance? What happens when you have one good day followed by 13 straight days of fucking foolishness, silent treatment, lying, feelings of being alone while literally sleeping right next to your biggest op at night? See, we know in our spirit, because our discernment done already tried to wake our ass up. Your skin already done broke out. Got anxiety sky fucking high, can't focus at work, knowing deep down in your soul this ain't it but love, right? All the investment we put into a narcissist, all of the hope in our eyes and our hearts can't give them something they don't fucking have. And in this case, it's a damn about anything other than themselves. They can't be alone because they don't want to heal. They don't want to understand. They don't want to confront no old ass traumatic wounds in their life or make peace with all of their broken pieces. Nah, what they want is supply. What they want is a distraction from their past and the fact that they hate who they see in the mirror every day. They ain't been happy since the breakup. Nah, they the same miserable, shit-stirring, unhappy, most unpleasant, find a problem for every fucking solution type person they always was. And if you believe that some new supply, some new money, some new access, or some happy ass pics online means anything differently, well, we gotta work on you accepting the reality of what you lived and experienced to get you to understand you were never the fucking problem. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired, and as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.